In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change username on Fidelity if you're looking to refresh your login or make it easier to remember. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect. We'll keep it simple, clear, and secure from start to finish. First, log into your account on fidelity.com or netbenefits.com. Type the address directly into your browser and make sure you see the secure lock icon before entering your credentials. This works the same on desktop and mobile. If your account uses two-step verification, just complete that as usual to reach your account home. Once you're signed in, head to your profile area. Depending on the view you're using, it may appear as profile or update your profile, typically found in the top navigation or within your account menu. The label might vary slightly, but you're looking for the place where your personal and security details are managed. Inside the profile settings, select login information. This is the section where you can update both your username and your password. Before you make changes, take a moment to scan any username guidelines on the page, things like minimum length, allowed characters, and whether certain special symbols are supported. Having those details in mind helps you choose something that will be accepted on the first try. Now, enter your new username, aim for something unique and memorable, and avoid easily guessable personal information. Many pages provide instant feedback on availability and formatting, so if you see a message about requirements or duplication, just adjust the username until it meets the criteria. Next, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may be asked to re-enter your current password or complete a brief verification step. Keep your phone or email nearby in case a one-time code is sent for added security. These checks protect your account and help ensure the change is really you. Finally, save your updates and complete any verification steps if required. Look for an on-screen confirmation that your changes were successful. In some cases, you may also receive a confirmation email noting that your username was updated. And that's it, the change is complete. Your new username is now active for your next sign-in. If you use a password manager or have your browser remember logins, you may be prompted to update the saved entry the next time you access your account. Keep your credentials secure and consider using a strong, unique password to go along with your new username for the best protection. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any section while you make the update.